Yo, what is good, guys? Hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. So I'm actually starting this vlog a little late. It's currently 6:20, so there's probably roughly 2 hours of daylight left. So I'm still gonna try and make a vlog. We're currently gonna meet up with the squad at our homie Brian's house. He's not really in the vlogs too much, but he has a dope mini truck, and the whole squad's gonna meet up there. So we'll see what's going on. Should be lit. Brian,
what?
Is that your storage, bro?
Yep. You should look at the bed.
let me go check this out.
Hold on, you more. Oh yeah, you still got a bunch of shit back there. So much shit.
Hey, that's a real truck right there.
That's what happens when you have a truck.
I know, right? I would do the same shit.
Oh yeah, it's hella functional.
It's a trash can.
Hey, I do that shit with my trunk, and imagine if I had a truck. Oh hell no, bro, that should be bad.
I got one too.
Jesse, you have a truck?
You know those dudes with the...
Is that a Type R?
No. It's a Sport with the Type R wing.
Sport with the Type... Oh, okay, I get it. What about... You have a Type R badge, though.
Bryce Light.
Did you... Is this a clone?
Yeah.
It's a clone like it's an SS.
It's really...
Is that like the whip?
I'm not gonna like
Or is that how they come?
Yeah, those are stock.
Oh shit, I never noticed that.
So this Type R actually has a wrap, guys. You can't really tell with the shade on it, but it's like a pearlescent, like
Kinda
white.
like a pearl, yeah.
Okay. So that shit's fucking badass, guys. Yeah, so in the sunlight you'll be able to see like all the pearlescent, but right now it just looks like matte almost. Sheesh.
If it's cloudy outside, it kind of looks gray.
Oh really?
Yeah, it looks pretty sick. Like, I remember one time I was rolling and my dad was behind me and it just looked gray. I was like, that's not my dad's car. But it was. I was like,
Oh shit. Hey Jesse, so what's going on? How come you have a truck?
So
joining the mini truck game.
Joining the mini truck game. Fuck Hondas. Fuck Accord. I'm just
Oh,
kidding.
okay.
Uh-oh.
Well,
No,
what's going on? What's going on?
Finally gonna make some moves on the Accord.
Well, what's going on?
Take one bolt off. Take one bolt off. I need to take one bolt off. It's a crankshaft sensor bolt. So if you guys, well, a crankshaft bolt. If you guys know about CG6s, they have the same problem with the crankshaft positioning sensor.
Well, what's the truck for though? Well,
We're gonna put the motor in the back of the truck.
where are we taking it?
To my work at Sears Auto Center.
Wait, is that mobbing, fam?
Is that must be nice, Ham?
Is that must be nice spam?
Your car. Get out of it.
Must be nice jam? Must be nice spam?
Wait. Oh shit.
Must be nice lamb? Must be nice cam?
Bam.
Must be nice damn? Must be nice yam? Must be nice Pam? Must be nice... Must be nice...
Lamb chop?
Must be nice...
Cram?
Jam? Oh, I said jam, fuck.
Must be yam.
Must be nice Gundam? Gundam?
Must be nice. He has them yams.
Must be nice, Zam? Guys, so I actually made the best purchase of my life the other day. It's in the trunk of my car. You guys ready for this? Best purchase I've ever made. Holy shit. I'm ready. I'm ready, guys.
I don't care. I'm gonna freaking...
You said, well, that feels weird, though.
I'm gonna clean it all up when I actually work on it anyway. I need to rinse it off, though.
That's my man. Dusty, musty, now she wanna fuck me.
Yeah.
I've been thinking about it.
Hey Leo, let's go skateboarding day, bro. We gotta do something for the vlog.
Shred?
Bro,
Shred of the North?
supposed to move, bro. First try Thursdays. Let's go skateboarding day, bro.
I didn't even pop it.
First try.
Go, Ollie.
Oh, come on, Jesse, come on. Ooh!
First try Fridays.
Friday.
Thursday.
Let's see what Ronnie Mullen can do.
Let me show you how to skate Mongo.
Oh, hell no. To record this shit, bro.
Okay, I got you.
First try Thursday.
First try Thursdays.
First try Thursday. Wow.
Oh! I didn't get it.
Oh.
Just kidding, I'm kidding. Do something!
Hey.
Hey, it's Stacy Peralta.
That's all I can do. Just fucking do that. Oh shit.
Oh,
Fuck, you recording me, bro?
yeah, I'm recording you. Sponsor me vid.
Oh shit, it's a sponsor vid?
Yeah, active.
Active, oh shit. I love you guys.
Hit it, bro, one time.
I quit. Alright guys, I just found out this I'm tired. Alright guys, so I just found out a secret feature about S2000s. You guys ready for this? Like, no one's in the car, no one's in the car, come. No one's in there.
There's no mini Jesse in here.
Alright, no one, alright? Gang shit. It's in first. This is probably even crazier. Bro, my car is haunted.
Can you just get, can you drive it?
Yeah, I could drive it.
It's like if I were to get in and put it in first, it would just...
It would drive. These don't do anything. They're not fucking proximity or whatever.
So you can go as far as you want. You can go to LA. This thing is
Yeah, without these.
1, 2, 3.
The more you know. Yeah, dude, go drive it.
Oh. Shit. Is it down and then?
Yeah, you push it down and then all the way to the right.
I don't think it's gonna be able to make it down.
Alright guys, so we're dropping off for cars right now. About to go with Jesse in the rental. Gonna go help him out with his engine. What's up, bro?
What's up?
Shotgun.
What? I was about to say right now.
Sorry. Sadie.
It's alright.
I love you.
I belong in the back anyways.
Yeah, you do. You do belong in the back. Now get back there. Go, get on. Oh. Oh.
Too much money, I need like 2 votes. These things big and green, I call my pocket the new hope. We don't pay attention to no loose talk. Shoot that chopper 100 times, I had to let it cool up. Niggas dancing on me, do the moonwalk. Can't wear my AP, I had to let it cool up. Almost died from pneumonia, had to take my.
Got you, bro. You know, we're on the same team and shit, so.
Oh, you're. I thank you, bud.
Me and Marcel live in lavish out here, guys. We got pizza and Coke. It's lit.
I ate my pizza already.
Oh, fuck. What you
Yeah, it's
got?
right here. It's on the box.
Oh, shit. I'm about to say, damn, bro. Everything okay? Oh. Guys, it's a little windy out here. Bear with me, but, Marcel, why you taking out your inner taillights? Is that a bot? No.
Because I can't see at night.
Uh-huh.
And I heard on the forums that if you change your taillights, it helps you see better.
Oh, wow. I did not know that. Marcel, you took off both inners and now you're taking off the outers. What in tarnation is going on, Marcel?
I told you I can't see at night.
See? Oh, okay. I actually see how it's gonna help.
Mm-hmm.
You can't see, so you're gonna take off the taillights. That makes sense.
So they can't see my next move. Oh, fuck.
Well, that mod is done. Good shit, Marcel.
Nice, man.
Looks really good, actually.
People be sleeping on my bill, look.
No, yeah, no, they are. What are you gonna do with those?
These?
Yeah.
I'm gonna Make him look cool as fuck. Watch this.
What's up, Paul?
Paul.
What's up, dude?
Oh, what the fuck, Joseph? Oh,
That hurt, actually.
oh fuck, man, calm down. Marcel, I'm really confused now. Like, what's going on, bro? Giant spiders and shit. Huh?
Bubble wrap? You shipped a box full of bubble wrap.
Yeah, you jealous?
Necessities.
You're.
Oh.
Can I see one really quick?
Now I see why you have to heat up your taillights.
No.
Where did you get these from, Marcel? Because I need the...
Brazil.
Do they make them or what?
Just like that.
I don't know, dude. I don't know how they. I think they 3D printed.
Clear them, just leave them.
Honestly,
I
Marcel,
need to hook
just
up
leave them
on
like
Taillights
that.
for my trip.
High key.
Nah.
Just buy a 3D printer. You can make anything.
I don't have a 3D printer.
Well, let's get one.
I have a Dell printer.
Nah, fuck
I don't think that's gonna work.
Then races.
What?
Oh, he's bugging.
What? What? What?
No going back now.
So Marcel has his little project over here. Let's go see what Joseph's doing in this video. Let's go. Joseph, what's going on over here?
Oh, nothing.
Why is your mirrors off?
I'm painting them.
And why is...
Well, sorry.
Dude,
I'm not painting it. I can't build any suspense.
Joseph, you know someone literally commented on the most recent video, is Joseph painting his mirrors in the next video. They literally commented that.
Oh, yeah, huh?
Damn, they know you so well.
They know me?
Yeah, so it is the next day if you guys haven't realized that. So, yeah, I'm continuing the video because it was not long enough at all. So, here we are. This shit's gonna look dope as fuck. I really can't wait for this. It looks like a bitch though. Is it a bitch, Marcel?
Yeah, for some reason headlights are a lot easier. Oh.
Oh, there goes that. There's really not going back. Guess you guys are wondering what the inside of a taillight looks like?
Without the reflectors.
Without all that?
It cracked. Headlight. I forgot there's clips on the bottom, that's why they snapped.
Ah.
I'm gonna need a lot of sealants.
Oh, wow. Joseph. Hey, these came out really good, bro. It's like you're almost getting better each time.
It's just a spray can, dude. I'm just kidding.
Joseph.
What?
That's your dog?
It's my friend. We just met right now.
Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Doggy.
Come on, dog.
Come here.
Got some
It's
pussy.
half corgi, half sexy.
Bro, this dog has manners. No way. He didn't go through the grass. Oh my god, you're so cute. Buddy, are you lost? Are you lost?
Hey, watch him just jump your ass right now. He bites his little leg. Is that chicken?
We got Mopars in the club now too? What the fuck is going on? Broke Boy's really out here expanding, bro. We got Mopars in the club.
Don't get too comfortable.
Sheesh. Damn. Must be fucking.
Big
Go get some food, dog.
lollipop in my butthole.
Let me close my windows in.
You want to roll?
All right, guys. So we're gonna go get some grub right now. I can't show
Man,
you
that means 2 and 2.
what it looks like yet because the tail lights are drying, so that's why there's a bunch of tape on it to like hold
I blanked out.
it like in place basically. So right now the silicone is drying,
Clothes, so I put my dick.
and yes, even though it has fucking tape all over, it still looks dope as fuck.
Bro,
like,
did you buy
like
those tail lights at Home
it still looks dope, bro.
Yeah. My boy bought them at Home
So yeah, I'm probably gonna show you guys the end result tomorrow. So
Home Depot.
we'll continue the vlog next day tomorrow.
Yarn, see?
Yar.
Here's a green. It's green. Oh, that's cool. Let's get this.
Yeah, so I was gonna end the video, but we pulled up to a gas station with some A1 lighting, and Marcel took the tape off. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. It's over. Game is over, guys. It was a good run. That was a good try.
I'm sorry.
That was a good try, but it's over, guys. The game is over. It's
People getting mad about takeovers taking over the car. Marcel just.
Marcel just like
just to give you guys a perspective of how much he's changed this car. Look, originally this car was like that, guys. Look.
oh,
Look.
why you gonna
Look.
kiss you like that?
Look. No, it's not even in a diss, bro. I'm just saying, like, look, that's originally what the car started off,
To look like.
and now look at it. Like, it's crazy, guys.
Man, that shit looks fucking bad.
You see how it looked like it was rolling, Andy?
Oh, yeah.
That shit looked crazy in it.
Also, guys, Joseph color matched the mirrors.
Color fucking.
They look really good too. But hell yeah, bro. I am so hyped. Not even my car, bro. I'm like, fuck.
You want some or what?
Kind of want to drink. Yeah.
Marcel, how you feeling, bro?
Huh?
How you feeling right now?
Well, as you can see, I got this water because I'm feeling thirsty as shit.
Core hydration.
I don't even know what it is. It just looks cool.
It does look pretty dope.
Perfect pH water too. Look for pH scale because you know that shit's healthy. Look, minerals, electrolytes, and minerals. Yep.
Alright, guys, so we're gonna. Alright, guys, we're gonna end off the vlog right here.
The courageous dog.
Currently at a gas station at like midnight, so it's lit as fuck. Squad is here. I don't know what they're doing. They're probably getting swishers, wraps, fucking condoms. I don't know what the hell they're getting in there, but
Bro, look at this cat. This shit's fancy.
so comment down below, guys, what you guys think on the clear tails. They look fucking insane. So if you guys enjoy the tail lights and if you guys think they look fucking awesome, leave a like on this video and comment down below your opinions. But yeah, guys,
You know, open it.
when pump, bro, I have no idea, bro. Oh, you got it,
fuck.
bro. That shit
Bro,
hot.